Hi guys, hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. It's gonna be so fun. This is a very delicious recipe that you can make, you and your children. They will love it. Love this recipe to death. So this is Irish potato, and we're making porridge Irish potato. So I hope you guys stay tuned to the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and smash the subscription button and turn the notification bell on, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So without wasting much time, let's go over to the kitchen and start cooking. All right guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So here I'll go ahead and quickly introduce the ingredients to you guys. I know this takes longer time, like doing intro, your recipe ingredient intro makes the video to take a little longer. So but I'll try to be as fast as I can so I don't take much time. So here I have my chicken. I'll be using a hard chicken to make my stock. I know she has Auntie Flo used a chicken and beef stock that she froze up, so but I don't have that prep already, so I'll be using this one. And here I have my pepper. I'll be using a red bell pepper, that's what I have available. And I will be using some onions, mixed onions, which is the regular white one and the purple one. And I have my spinach. I have frozen spinach, this one. So but I have half of it. I don't want too much, because if I add too much vegetable to this food, my kids won't be eating it. So I'll be adding just a little bit. And I have my crayfish here. I have my Niger pot. So I don't know if you can see that. So it says Niger pot. So this Niger pot is very good when you're making soup or you're making any porridge. So I'm using that. And 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. I think I already said about the crayfish already. And my seasoning for the meat, I'll be adding some oregano, some Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, some parsley, some chicken bouillon, chicken flavor bouillon. So and black pepper, and 1 stock cube as well for my meat seasoning. And here is the Irish potatoes. You can see I have a very large quantity here, because I have 6 people in my household that will be eating this. So we are 6 in number, so that's why I have more of ingredients. So you can always do this based on the quantity of the food you're making. You can reduce it or you can add more. So guys, that's it for the ingredient that I'll be using. So in case if there's anything that I'm forgetting to mention while I'm cooking, I will still let you guys know. So right now we'll go over to the pot. I'm trying to go, I don't want to waste a lot of time with this recipe guys. So just making sure I adjust my camera to be in the right spot. So right there, I'll go ahead and add my chicken. I already washed them very well. I don't need to do any more washing right now. Go ahead and turn my stove on. Add the salt. The salt seems like it's kind of got stuck on the spoon. So but it must come out by fire by force. It must come out whether I like them or not. So after adding the salts, my stove is on already, of course. So I'll go ahead and add all the spice that I already told you guys. And I'll be adding a little bit of this chicken masala, so I can see that. So it tastes good as well. So I'll go ahead and just add a little bit of that. and some black pepper. Add some chicken flavor bouillon. So after adding all my seasoning, I'll go ahead and turn them around properly. So guys, without adding any water to this stuff, I'm not going to be adding any water right now. I'll go ahead and cover that up because we want the seasonings to get right inside that chicken. So I'll go ahead and cover that up so it can produce water with the heat. So guys, while the chicken is cooking, I'll go ahead and cook my cow meat. I'll be using cow meat that I finely chopped, like I sliced them very well, as you can see. So I'm using this because I don't eat sausage and I don't eat pork, any kind of, pork product. I don't like it. It's not religion related reason, so it has nothing to do with religion. I don't just like pork. So, but my kids, they love pork, they eat sausage, they eat hot dog. So if I'm making food that is just them alone that will eat it, of course, I have to make it for them. Because I don't eat it, doesn't mean that my kids cannot eat it. So this is a family meal. I'm trying to use what everyone in my family can enjoy as well. I already seasoned this properly. The same seasoning that I already mentioned to you guys before. That's what I use to season this beef. So I'll go ahead and let that cook. I will not be adding any water to that. I will just cover that up to cook. Let me grab a cover. So I'll just put this over here so somebody don't trip on it. So put it behind and I'll cover that up and let it cook as well. Alright guys, let's go back to the meat because it's been like 5 minutes now or so. Let's see what's going. Perfect. Looks amazing. Can you guys see that? The smoke can't even let you see. Evidence of good cooking. So guys, and I forgot to mention, I don't think that appeared in the video. I just remembered I added onions because you cannot steam your meat without onions, right? So I just want to let you guys know that I added some onions. Probably the camera was off when I was adding that. Sorry about that. So I will go ahead and add more water because we need the water for the stock, right? So the purpose of this meat is to get a stock to make our porridge potato. I think I'll be needing more. This is not enough water to this because before this chicken gets properly cooked, this one will dry up. So let me get more water. So I'll add all of that. That's okay. It's not too much. Remember, this is hard chicken. Hard chicken needs a longer time to cook. It's not like regular soft chicken. Let's check on this meat over here. Perfect. Looking so good. So when you're eating this porridge yam, you need to be biting something. You need to be biting something. Let me bring it closer. There you go. So you need to have something that you'll be eating the potato and be biting something at the same time. So I'll let this meat to be properly cooked, guys. This has to be properly cooked. So I'll let it cook for a few more minutes. I'm not going to add any water at all. So guys, have you liked this video? In Auntie Flo's voice, have you liked this video? Have you? Waiting. Go ahead and click the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I really encourage you to consider subscribing to my channel, guys. support my channel by subscribing if you haven't done so already. Okay, so I'll give these two guys here, two of these guys, I'll give them some time to cook. I'll be coming back. So the meat has been cooking for about 10 minutes roughly, and it's well done right now. So I'll go ahead and take them out. And this one is being very stubborn. It doesn't want to get in the spoon, but it must. So after taking them out of the sauce, here we are. I have my stock. I made stock for myself. So let's start the cooking. I have my Irish potato that I already cut up. So I'll go ahead and add more water. Remember, this Irish potato doesn't take so long to cook, so you don't want to over add too much water to that stuff. So this is a perfect size of water that I will be needing, I believe so. So I'll go ahead and add my chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, add onions. I'll be adding all of these onions, and I'll be adding my pepper, my red bell pepper, and I'll be reserving some for later. And my crayfish. So that's a lot of crayfish, because remember, I'm making a larger quantity of the food. Then I'm adding the Niger pot. Sorry guys, my kids were making too much noise. So after I add the Niger pot stock cube, I'll go ahead and add some black pepper and also add some oil, my delicious, good tasting oil ever. So guys, the next step is the same Irish potato, but I cut this one very small size, like finely chopped, as you can see. And the purpose of me adding this stuff is to give me extra porridge, because I don't want to like start smashing all the potatoes. So I added this. By the time the food is done cooking, this one will be completely mashed, so I wouldn't see that again, and this will give me the extra porridge that I'm looking for. So this is optional. You don't have to do this. Auntie Flo did not do this, but I'm just doing this for my extra sauce that I need. Remember the beef. I can't remember how many I've eaten so far. This tastes so good. So I'll go ahead and put that in. So remember, I'm not using any sausage like the pork sausage, or I'm trying to reserve some for myself to eat, guys. So that tastes so good. I can't put all of them in there. I have to eat some. So like I was saying, I did not use any sausage or hot dog, so that's why I'm using this beef. So I'll go ahead and cover this up and let it cook. Alright guys, I'll see you guys very soon. So guys, for the chicken, you can either fry them or you can put them in your oven, have them dry up a little bit, or you can just choose to eat it the way it is. So I'll go ahead and, just to save myself some time, I'll just fry this up like pretty fast. Because when I put them in the oven, it will take about 20 to 25 minutes for it to change color or dry. So but when I fry them, in less than 5 minutes, it's ready, right? Yeah, so I don't want to waste too much time. I'll just go ahead and fry them up. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that looking so amazing? Isn't that looking so delicious? My son said, can I see? Don't know what he wants to see, the deliciousness. Okay guys, I'll go ahead and cover this up and let it keep cooking. Have you liked this video yet? In Auntie Flo's voice, have you liked this video? Have you? Go ahead and click, smash the like button, like smash it, yeah. Smash that like button and make sure to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. We'll come back to check this out in a very little time. Let's see, that looks so nice. Oh Lord. Go ahead and add the onions and add the remaining red bell pepper and add my spinach and stir this up. As you can see, that's those finely chopped potato that I added gave this a whole lot of gravy. Yes, gravy. Oh Lord. So this is so nice. Have you guys subscribed to my channel? Have you subscribed? Please go ahead and subscribe and give me a like. If I'm doing a good job, can you please give me a like? Like, give me a thumbs up. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and cover that up for like 2 minutes so the onions and the pepper can soften up a little bit. All right guys, our food is ready. It's all done. Look at that. Look at the amount of porridge that is in this food. That's what I'm talking about. Just a closer look. It's so nice. How is that? Okay, looking so nice, so delicious. So, and my chicken is done. Go ahead and garnish that up. Are you ready for lunch? Are you ready for delicious lunch? Oh my goodness. This is looking so nice. Okay guys, that's it. So delicious. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get more of my recipe and some other stuff. Alright guys, bye now. See you next time. Stay safe.